I came from nothing to something like it's nothing. Yeah, you know I done it. That is no discussion, bitch. I'm ballin'. I made a promise to my mom.
Hey guys, we're on the road today because we're going to my school to sign up for the shelter. We're here in the car.
Yeah, like Irma is coming and is coming with a lot of strength, like super
Our
strong.
house could fly away.
Yeah, I'm covering all the windows and everything. I'm covering everything, but anyway, I still want to go to the shelter. It's not far away from the house. Like we can even walk to there, but it's stronger. And I'm gonna cover all the windows, hoping for the best. But we're not gonna stay there. We're gonna go to the shelter.
Yep. This is gonna be scary this next couple of days.
Yeah, well, we see you at the school, right?
Yep. We'll see you there, guys. We're signing in right now.
No, you want me to put the names of all the kids?
Oh yeah, that's fine. Hi, Chris.
Oh, you put them in the other side?
This brings back memories. Oh wait, you didn't come to
School is pretty big.
I know, it's huge.
Oh, my teenager needs to sign for himself? No, only one person. The head of the family. Oh, the whole family?
So the boss, his parents.
The boss, la jefa.
It's not that big.
Ella es la jefa. Ella es la jefa.
Yeah, she is.
Mama,
Signing in.
happy nobody happy. You know that one?
I got
Keep on going with the kids.
Well, she haven't been here.
When we're done, we'll be back. We're back.
You need to bring
Still doing something. If I look to the side because I'm looking at the papers, we're signing in.
We don't have beds.
Okay.
You need to bring a...
We got it.
airbag. I can bring an airbag. Airbag? Okay, that's good.
Yes, we can bring our air beds.
You have mascotas? Bring any food you want. There will be food here.
I have a dog, one dog, and
You must bring the papel. I don't know about the bird. You have to have the
Vaccination.
papeles, yes. And you must have a crate or a cage for the dog.
No podemos traer, mami, porque no
Can't
tenemos
have dogs
papeles.
running
Yeah,
crazy. You have one you could borrow from somebody?
No.
What? You need a jaula. You need a cage. You cannot let a dog run around unless it's a handicapped dog. That's the
Yeah, okay.
Ayer dice que
Are you
se
okay
en la
there?
casa.
So nobody is criminal, nothing there?
Yeah, but might die. Our birds might die. This is so scary.
It's a big storm, but we're gonna be fine. We're gonna have a good time. That I promise.
Hey, we're gonna record too.
Yeah, I'm gonna come party with you kids. I'm here for a week.
Oh
I'm gonna be
God.
here for a week. Are you recording me?
No, it's on the other way.
Like this.
On the other way.
7?
So you can see yourself.
Today is 7 or 8?
Oh, today is
Like this.
All right, wait, I gotta do one thing. I gotta count, make sure
Here.
that it's right.
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta put your address on it. Address.
All right, bye.
Okay, we're leaving the school shelter because we already signed in. But I heard somebody say that we need to, like, somebody said that, did you pick a spot and you need to put something in it? Like,
Yeah, we hear that, and I don't know, but the other people say no. Well, we signed in already. We put how many people are gonna come.
everybody technically.
And we're gonna get maybe nieve and
Maybe. We
maybe
need to.
poly.
Everything.
Yeah.
Except for the chickens.
Yeah,
Because
that's for the chickens.
rest in peace, chickens.
We're gonna put them inside the house and hope for the best, but we don't know.
Cover a mattress on top of them.
What the mattress is,
Mattress fort.
what the mattress is gonna do.
I don't know. But should we put them in the bathroom because they say that the bathroom is the most constructed area in your house.
Well, but your mommy want to bring the big cage that is next to their cage.
Yeah, but that cage is not gonna, like, with all those chickens there, there's gonna be like no room in that little cage.
No, I'm talking, no, the other cage is for nieve. I'm talking about the other cage that is next to the chicken coop.
The other cage that's right next to the chicken.
Okay, we show you when we get home. Bye.
Yeah. See ya at home.
Hello, YouTube. Hello, YouTube. We are doing this vlog tonight because I don't know if we're gonna have Wi-Fi tomorrow. We've been trying to do updates on Irma, the hurricane that is coming this way. and I bordered all the house, all the windows, all my screen patio, all around the house. I tried to border everything. I put wood everywhere. But anyway, you're gonna see parts in there where we are in the shelter, writing our names and everything, because tomorrow we're going there, and I don't think
no Wi-Fi.
it's not gonna be no Wi-Fi, and it probably be no internet. We're gonna record anyway.
We're still gonna record, but afterwards, once we get that Wi-Fi.
We were trying to be like how you say,
what?
Try to be positive. That's why we're trying to be positive about it, you know? And hoping for the best, because
now it's going directly
because
to
it's
Fort
coming
Myers.
this way, like it's gonna enter from here, they say.
Oh Jesus.
And Andrew's laughing, but at the same time he's very nervous. Like he's smiling and everything, but
I'm smiling because I'm trying to make it positive, and he gets mad.
yeah, but it's not positive at all. Like that's
just
storm,
look
like
at the
we have the
TV.
TV right now in front of us. I just lower the volume, but thank you for watching. All that people that subscribe to us, the 32 subscribers we got.
35.
Oh, we got 35. Yeah, and
We're growing.
Yeah, slowly, but
Shirley.
Shirley, yes. Shirley, who's that?
Guys.
Oh, yeah.
King Irma's coming. Which is the best of luck? We're still gonna record, but you'll get them late. We're not like Logan going back and forth to the city.
We don't know when, because we don't know how this is gonna look like afterwards, you know, and
Might need to rebuild our house before we upload anything.
and we don't know Wi-Fi when it's gonna come back, and I don't know if the cell phones are gonna work. We don't know none of that. It's like nothing. We have some food and water and everything, but
Still
like
need
I say,
some stuff.
like we don't know how long it's gonna last and how long after, how it's gonna look like after. But well, that's it, guys, and thank you. Subscribe. Oh,
It's like
YouTube.
this is the end almost.
Why do you keep smiling? It's like, oh yeah.
I just keep laughing.
Like it's not
It's
funny.
just a weird
It's
thing.
not funny matter, Andrew. Okay, well.
Well, it's just a habit of mine. I just can't stop.
And other thing is,
And also, whose name is Irma?
other thing is too is the. Oh, yeah, YouTube. Why you don't let me monetize my videos? I haven't break any rules at all. I keep writing to you guys and nothing.
Is there something wrong we're doing?
No, he says nothing wrong. He say there. I send them the pictures about it because he don't say no strikes.
Well, YouTube is a big company with big, like, lots of people too. So, and also it's been like 4 or 5 days, 6.
Yeah, but it's supposed to
week?
wait like more than that, and it's been months since I tried to monetize and send emails to them and everything, and nope, nothing.
It's weird now. YouTube is like weird because I know that companies that with AdSense don't want like bad things.
Well, but
to
we're
their
getting out of
Irma.
whatever we were because of the hurricane, but
Hey,
all right, guys, then.
And then there'll be a short footage.
If tomorrow we have Wi-Fi, maybe
Like, we'll just probably record it then, like, quickly before it comes, Wi-Fi.
Okay, guys, bye, and thank you. We love you. Bye. Subscribe.
Leave a like.
Message.
Hopefully we'll receive that message.
Bye-bye.
Fire when the storm hits you.
That's it, friend?
Yes.